So good morning all of you. So in last class we completed the basic idea of the enantiomers and meso compounds. Okay. So generally if any molecule has a right hand form, left hand form phenomena. Okay. For any molecule there is a left hand form, there is a right hand form. Okay. It means these two are the mirror images and non-superimposed. Then the molecule is known as a chiral molecule. And the chiral molecule is optically active. Optically active means that rotates plane polarized light either in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction in polarimeter experiment. Okay, the existence of the molecule in left hand form, right hand form, that phenomena is known as a chirality. Okay, and next exhibiting a different optical rotation, that means clockwise and anti-clockwise, that phenomena is known as a optical activity or optical isomerism. That means here same compounds, same connectivity, okay, same connectivity, same molecular formula, but different optical rotation in polarimeter experiment. Okay, that phenomenon is known as the optical isomerism. And those two forms, one is the right hand form, one is the left hand form, which are mirror images and non-superimposable. Those two forms are called as a enantiomers. Okay, that pair is called as a enantiomeric pair. Okay, so enantiomers are the mirror images and non-superimposable and must be optically active. And with one chiral carbon, okay, important point, with one chiral carbon, the compound is always optically active. The compound with one chiral carbon is always optically active. And next, coming to the meso compounds. So generally, what are the conditions for optical activity? First is the chiral carbon. It's not a 100% compulsory condition because the molecule should not possess planar symmetry, center of symmetry, and alternative axis symmetry. If molecule, even though it has a chiral carbons, if it has a planar symmetry or center of symmetry or alternative axis of symmetry, that is optically inactive, a chiral molecule. Okay, so because if there is a possibility of the symmetry, half of the rotation is cancelled by the another half. So then the compound is optically active, and the phenomenon is known as a internal compensation. And those compounds are called as a meso compounds. Okay, meso compounds are the optically inactive compounds, even though they contain chiral carbon, because they have planar symmetry or center of symmetry or alternative axis of symmetry. Okay, there is no correlation with the um, axis of symmetry. The optically active molecule may contain axis of symmetry, may not contain axis of symmetry. Okay, just we have to check the plane of symmetry, center of symmetry, and alternative axis symmetry. So generally we go through, don't go for checking alternative axis of symmetry. Just we if you, that means you're checking plane of symmetry, center of symmetry, that is a sufficient condition, sufficient. Okay, to check the optical activity of the compound, just identify the plane of symmetry or center of symmetry. Okay, if there is no plane of symmetry, center of symmetry, then the compound is optically active. It means that molecule is a chiral molecule. Every chiral molecule exists in two forms, left hand form and right hand form. Okay, so that's what we completed in last class. So next year, which are the here one question, which are the following molecule exhibit optical isomerism? Okay, which are the following molecule that means a different variations here, which of the following molecule is optically active or exhibit optical isomerism, or chiral, which of the following molecule is chiral, or which of the following molecule exhibit chirality, or which of the following molecule rotates plane polarized line. The molecule which is optically active or the molecule which is chiral rotates plane polarized light. Okay, so here in this case, the lactic acid, you know that lactic acid is CH3 CH, okay, here OH COH. This one is a chiral carbon. With one chiral carbon, the compound is always optically active, exhibit optical isomerism. It means it is a chiral. Okay, so lactic acid. Next here, malic acid. Malic acid means a COO CH2 COH, here hydrogen COH. Again this one has a one chiral carbon. This is also optically active. Okay, na? Malic acid. So malonic acid. The malonic acid means here hydrogen, this hydrogen, COOH, this are also COOH. Here there is no chiral carbon. That hydrogen, hydrogen, there is no chiral carbon. COH, COH, similar groups. So no chiral carbon. This compound is optically inactive compound. That is a achiral molecule. Okay, optically inactive, and this is achiral molecule. Now next here alanine. Alanine means here NH2, CH, CH3, COH. This is alanine. Again it has a one chiral carbon, so it exists in a two forms. For suppose COOH, here CH3, this is NH2 hydrogen, and this one NH2 hydrogen, this COOH and CH. These two are the mirror images. One is the right hand form, one is the left hand form. Okay, that's it. Optically active molecule. Next, glycine. Glycine means here NH2, here CH2 COOH. This one is not a chiral carbon because this carbon is attached to the two hydrogens. So this one is optically inactive. A chiral molecule do not exhibit optical isomerism, do not rotate plane polarized light. And next, malic acid. Malic acid means here HC double bond, here hydrogen. This is COOH, here COOH. Okay, it's a malic acid. The malic acid is optically inactive. It has no chiral carbon. Here sp2 carbon, sp2 carbon, sp2 carbon, sp2 carbon. Okay, do not exhibit optical isomerism. And 2-chlorobutane. That means here 2-chlorobutane means here Cl hydrogen, and here CH2 CH. This is a chiral carbon. This carbon is attached to the hydrogen, ethyl, chlorine, and methyl. So it is a 2-chlorobutane. 2-chlorobutane. That's it. Okay. The 2-chlorobutane also exists in a two forms, right hand form and as well as left hand form. So that's it. So write down this one. Okay. So here let us discuss about the meso compounds. Okay. So from the given compounds, let us identify which are meso compounds. That means which are optically inactive. And here the meso compound means the compound which has chiral carbon but optically inactive. Okay, the compound which has chiral carbon but optically inactive. Okay, so that is a meso compound. Without chiral carbon, meso compounds are not possible because internal compensation must be takes place. Okay, so if there are the chiral carbons, internal compensation, internal optical rotation is possible. Okay, so here the point is meso compounds are optically inactive even though they have chiral carbons. Okay, if no chiral carbon, even though it is optically inactive, it's not a meso compound, just optically inactive compound and achiral compound. Okay, now here coming to this example, here there is a possibility of the plane of symmetry. Here this hydrogen carbon OH are coming into the imaginary plane, the plane which bisect the molecule into two equal halves, and these two equal halves are mirror images, hydrogen hydrogen, OH OH. So here this compound is a meso compound, optically inactive compound, and it is a achiral compound, AC. Now coming to this one also has a plane of symmetry. The chlorine, carbon, hydrogen, these atoms coming into the imaginary plane. Now these two are the equal halves and mirror images. Again this one also meso compound and achiral molecule, optically inactive. Now coming to this one, chlorine, chlorine, again here, of course, even the different atoms, so here whatever the atoms on this carbon is optically inactive because of the symmetry, and these two are the mirror images. So it is a meso compound and achiral molecule. Now coming to this one, here the hydrogen, here chlorine, here chlorine, hydrogen. So here this one has no plane of symmetry. Okay, of course two equal halves, it can be cut into two equal halves, but those two equal-offs are not mirror images. Okay, so here it's not a meso compound. Okay, not meso compound. It is optically active molecule. Optically active molecule. Now we're coming to this one. Here, this is a chiral carbon. This is a chiral compound. Okay, of course, it's not a chiral carbon because two hydrogens. Now, but we can take the plane of symmetry like this, sigma plane of symmetry like this, through the hydrogen carbon hydrogen equal-offs and mirror images. So this is a meso compound and achiral. Meso compound and achiral molecule. Now coming to this one, here there is a plane of symmetry like this. Let us write the structure for this compound. Okay, here cis means here the hydrogen. Let us write like this here. The chlorine hydrogen. This one chlorine hydrogen. This one chlorine hydrogen. Now can we cut into two equal-offs? That means here plane is passing through this CH2 and this CHCl. Now here this spot and this spot equal offs and mirror images. This chlorine upward direction, this chlorine also upward direction. So these two are the equal offs and mirror images each other. So this compound is also meso compound. That has a chiral carbon. It is a chiral carbon. It is a chiral carbon. Okay, that's it. Now we are coming to this one. Here, this one also has a plane of symmetry. This compound also has a plane of symmetry. Okay, this one can be cut into two equal halves. For suppose, let us write this structure like this. Here Cl hydrogen, a Cl hydrogen. Now can be cut into two equal halves, and these two equal halves are the mirror images cis isomer. Now coming to this one, meso. It is not meso compound, optically active compound. This one has no plane of symmetry. Why? Because for suppose, let us write the structure. Here chlorine hydrogen, this hydrogen chlorine. This one has no plane of symmetry. Okay, that means here equal-offs are not mirror images. Here equal-offs are the exactly mirror images. Here equal-offs are not exactly mirror images. So that compound is optically active compound. That means not meso compound. Now coming to this one, this compound is optically inactive compound. It is a meso compound. Okay, it is a meso compound. Why? Because for suppose it is a 5-membered ring. It is a 5-membered ring. 1 3 hydrogen chlorine. Here hydrogen chlorine can be cut into equal-offs, and these equal-offs are the mirror images. Okay, so meso compound. Now it is a chiral carbon. You see this one. It is a chiral carbon because this carbon attached to the chlorine and one more hydrogen, and next here CH2 CHCl. But in this case CH2 CH2. So it's a chiral carbon that has two chiral carbons. It has two chiral carbons. It has two chiral carbons. Okay. Now in this case, the trans not meso compound. This is not meso compound because that symmetry is not possible. Hydrogen, chlorine. Here chlorine, hydrogen. Symmetry is not possible. Okay, that's it. So it is not meso compound, optically active compound. You can see this one. Now coming to this example. Here 1, 4. Here there is a plane of symmetry, but it is not meso compound. It is not meso compound, but achiral. Very, very important point. It's not a meso compound. Meso compounds are the achiral, but even though it is achiral, it's not a meso compound because for this one no chiral carbon. On this carbon, your chlorine hydrogen CH2 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 CH2. On both sides same. That means here no chiral carbon. Even though plane of symmetry is there is no chiral carbon, so it is not a meso compound. Meso compound must contain the chiral carbon but optically inactive because of the plane of symmetry or center of symmetry. It's not a meso compound but a chiral molecule. It's not a meso compound but a chiral molecule. All meso compounds are achiral, but all achiral molecules are not meso compounds. Okay, that's it. Now here, this one also same. The plane of symmetry like this. There is a plane of symmetry. For suppose here, let us write the structure for this one. Okay, for this one, let us write the structure. Here, this is the bromine hydrogen. This is chlorine hydrogen. Let's take the plane of symmetry like this. That means here that imaginary plane passing through the hydrogen carbon chlorine, this bromine carbon hydrogen. Okay, that means here that cyclic ring cut into two equal halves. Okay, those equal halves are the mirror images. That's it. That means here this chlorine atom, hydrogen atom, this bromine atom, hydrogen atom, these atoms also cut into equal halves. Okay, so exactly mirror images. That's it. Okay, these two are not meso compounds but achiral molecules because no chiral carbon. If no chiral carbon, optically inactive compound. Or this meso or not, these are not the meso compounds because no chiral carbon. Now this one also same. It's not meso compound but achiral, optically inactive molecule. Achiral, optically inactive. Now coming to this one has plane of symmetry like this. Okay, why? Because in this case, let us write the structure like this. OH, H. Here OH, H. This double bond cut into equal halves. Okay, so now here this is a chiral carbon. Okay, it's a chiral carbon. Why? Because a CH2, CH2, but a CH double bond, CH. On both sides different. Here OH and remaining one is the hydrogen. So it is a meso compound. Optically inactive. It contains a chiral carbon. So meso compound. Okay. Next coming to this one. Here this one has no plane of symmetry. Okay. This one has two chiral carbons. These two are the chiral carbons. Okay. Here these two are the chiral carbons, but there is a symmetry because both OH groups on the same side. But in this case, both OH groups on the different side. So, but no plane of symmetry possible. So that's why it's not meso compound. It's optically active compound. It is a chiral molecule or optically active compound. No plane of symmetry. Yeah, there is a plane of symmetry. Okay, that's it. If these two OH groups are the opposite, no plane of symmetry. These two equals are not mirror images. So that's why this compound is optically active compound. Okay, next here coming to this one. Here coming to this one. Let's see this one. Here OH CH3. But suppose OH hydrogen. This is CH3 hydrogen. Double bond. This one has no plane of symmetry. This one has no plane of symmetry. This one cannot be cut into equal halves like this. This side CH2 CH2. This side. Okay. Then in this case, this one cannot be cut into equal halves like this through the CH3 and OH. If you can imagine the plane of symmetry through the CH3 and OH, that cannot be cut into equal halves because this side CH2 CH2, this side CH double bond CH. Okay. Here also same. Here also same. Okay. This one cannot be cut into equal halves because here CH2 CH2 double bond here. Here in this case, this molecule can be cut into equal halves through the chlorine bromine because CH2 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 CH on both sides same mirror images equal halves. But in this case, if you cut this molecule, okay, if you cut this molecule through the CH3 and OH, this one cannot be cut into equal halves because here CH double bond CH, here CH2 CH2. Okay, so here no plane of symmetry, so it is not meso compound, optically active. Optically active. Now coming to this one. This one has a plane of symmetry. Yes, because chlorine above the plane, chlorine above the plane. Here below the plane, below the plane. Now here, this one also has a center of symmetry. Okay, how it has a center of symmetry? Let us write the structure. So here, in this case, I am writing like this. A chlorine, 136 position. Okay, this is the hydrogen, this is the hydrogen. Next, this one. Here this chlorine transposition. So Cl hydrogen. Upward direction, downward direction. Here upward direction chlorine. Here chlorine downward direction. Okay. So here this Cl Cl, this hydrogen hydrogen, this Cl Cl, this hydrogen hydrogen. So there is a center of symmetry also. Here plane of symmetry is there. center of symmetry is there. Okay, and this one contains the chiral carbon. It is a 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 chiral carbon. This one has a 4 chiral carbons. Okay, this one has a 4 chiral carbons, and these 4 chiral carbons are the similar chiral carbons. Okay, and ఏంటంటే ఈ కార్బన్ ఏ గ్రూప్స్ కి అయితే అటాచ్ అయిందో ఈ కార్బన్ కూడా అదే గ్రూప్స్ కి అటాచ్ అయింది. అండ్ ఇయర్ ఆల్సో సేమ్. ఈ కార్బన్ ఏ గ్రూప్స్ కి అయితే అటాచ్ అవుతుందో ఇయర్ ఆల్సో సేమ్. Totally, each carbon having that means similar groups. Okay, what are the groups present on this carbon? Then this carbon also has the same groups. So these 4 are the similar chiral carbons. So having chiral carbons, but there is a plane of symmetry, center of symmetry. So this compound is also meso compound, optically inactive compound. Okay, that's it. Write down. Yeah. Here some more compounds. Identify the meso compounds. It's a bridged bicyclic compound. This bridged bicyclic compound has 2 chiral carbons. This is a chiral carbon. This one is a chiral carbon. Why? Because this carbon attached to the CH2 and next here CH different. But CH to CH. A CH double bond CH and one more hydrogen different. Here also similar. This one has the 2 chiral carbons. Okay. Here also same. Sorry. Here in this case, this one has no chiral carbon. Why? Because this carbon CH to CH to CH. Here CH to CH to CH. That means contains similar groups. So here, even though it has a plane of symmetry, it is not a meso compound and achiral molecule because no chiral carbon. For suppose these two are the bridgehead carbons. Okay, these two are the bridgehead carbons and 2 carbons. Okay, here 2 carbons, here 2 carbon bridge. So exactly that cut into equal halves. That cut into equal halves. Okay, for suppose this one. Okay. So guidebook to mechanism in organic chemistry. Okay, Peter Sykes is one of the best book. Okay, for the organic chemistry reaction mechanism. If you like the organic chemistry, you can buy it. So here in this case, the bridged carbon, CH2, 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 and here 2 carbon bridge. Okay, so that cut into 2 equal halves. Okay, cut into 2 equal halves. Now in this case, it is a chiral carbon. It's a chiral carbon. It's not chiral carbon. Important point. Not chiral carbon. Okay, why? Because CH to CH to CH to CH. Similar groups. Okay. Now coming to this one. CH to CH2. Here CH to CH. Different. So these are the chiral carbon. This one has a 2 chiral carbons. This one has no chiral carbons. But here this compound is a meso compound and optically inactive compound. It's not a meso compound and optically inactive also. No chiral carbon, so optically inactive. Is that it is meso or not? It's not a meso because no chiral carbon. Even though it is optically inactive, it's not contain chiral carbon, so not meso compound. Now it is a meso compound. It has a chiral carbons and optically inactive. How it is a meso compound? Because it has a plane of symmetry. But suppose here in this case, these are the 2 bridgehead carbons. 2 bridgehead carbons. This is a 2 carbon bridge. Okay, and 2 carbon bridge. And this is the 1 carbon bridge. Now cut into 2 equal halves. Okay, through this 1 carbon bridge, cut into 2 equal halves. So that's why it is as a meso compound, achiral, has a plane of symmetry. Okay, that means for suppose this is the see this one. It is a 1 carbon bridge. This is 1 carbon bridge. Now cut into 2 equal halves like this. Okay, so optically inactive compound, meso compound. Now this one has no symmetry, so not meso compound. Camphor, it has 2 chiral carbons. Okay, next coming to this one. Here nitrogen, here CO, here CH3, hydrogen. There is a center of symmetry, so it is a meso compound and it is a chiral carbon because this carbon attached to the hydrogen, methyl, NHCO, different groups. Okay, not meso. Sorry, it is a meso compound. Now here This one has no symmetry because methyl methyl on same side, hydrogen hydrogen same side. This one has no center of symmetry, so it's not a meso compound, optically active compound. Optically active compound. Okay, that's it. Now next, coming to this one, it has no symmetry because trans isomer, no symmetry, so not meso compound. Not meso compound. It's a chiral carbon. It's a chiral carbon. Now here there is a symmetry like this. Can be cut into two equal halves. So this is a meso compound. It is a meso compound. Now here also no symmetry. Here this carbon, chlorine, oxygen, CH2, chiral carbon. But here there is no symmetry. Okay, there is no symmetry. Actually here we might be thinking like this here. There is a symmetry like this. There is a symmetry like this. Here, if you imagine the plane of symmetry like this, okay, here this oxygen and this is a carbon chlorine. Okay, so that means these equal are not mirror images. These equal are not mirror images. So here this one is not meso compound. Not meso compound, optically active compound. Now here next. One more point. See this one. Here C over H. This one is the C over H. Here OH above the plane, hydrogen below the plane. Hydrogen above the plane, OH below the plane. Okay. Here in this case, this OH, one above the plane, one below the plane. So there is a center of symmetry. Okay, there is a center of symmetry like this. Opposite. Here this COH on the plane, this COH on the plane. But here upper direction, it is a downward direction. Okay, there is the opposite direction here. So above the plane, this is below the plane. Hydrogen above the plane, hydrogen below the plane. So exactly we can draw the center of symmetry. This molecule has a center of symmetry. Okay, this molecule has a center of symmetry. So this is meso-tartaric acid. It is a meso-tartaric acid. It is a meso-tartaric acid. Okay, that's it. Meso-tartaric acid. It is a 3D form actually. It is a 3D structure. 3D form. For suppose 2D form, 2D representation. Actually here tetrahedral means here that is non-planar OH. This seems to be planar. Just we are writing like this. There is a 3D representation for the molecule. This is 2D representation. In this case, there is a plane of symmetry. Okay, you can say here plane of symmetry. This is a meso compound. Here in 3D structure, here there is no actually here for this one. There is a center of symmetry, not plane of symmetry. Okay, that's it. For suppose we can write like this also. Yes, C over H. Here COH. Here OH. This one is the OH. This is hydrogen. This is hydrogen. Now there is a plane of symmetry. It is also meso compound. There is a plane of symmetry. It is also meso compound. That's it. Okay. So right now.